interested in striking, if you love the striking game, it's a masterclass.
Yes. And Sushmita is making her pro debut today in the blue corner representing Nepal, and she takes on India's fan favorite Shalu Sharma in the red corner.
This is also Sushmita's pro debut. It's a pro MMA debut.
To give a brief introduction on Sushmita representing Nepal here, she's Nepal's WBC Muay Thai champion. She's been kickboxing, she's been training in Muay Thai at her coach, which is Sakyant. And tonight at Ronin FC3, she transitions to professional MMA and she takes on Shalu Sharma, who's 1-1 as a professional.
Shalu's a pro MMA fighter. She's also competed in grappling events, in the AJP India Tour, in the white belt division. She's got a gold in that division. So she definitely has the advantage in grappling, I feel. Both of them are gauging range. Once that is complete, they're going to engage. There they have it. There's a clinch knee.
Oh, spinning back fist by Shalu.
Forward, please. One. Yeah, keep that. Move to your right.
Oh, just look at
Punch
that.
by
Superman
Sushmita.
punch.
And Shalu returns fire with a spinning back fist.
दो-तीन शॉट उसके बाद बाहर.
That's what I mean, guys. Once they gauge the range, it's over. They're going to have a lot of these rapid fire exchanges.
Moving into power.
So Sushmita is a very, very technical striker.
Halfway through
I mean, we can say so because we have seen Sushmita at the previous event, but we've not seen much of Shalu Sharma, and hence, not trying to sound biased, but
Conclusion comes from that.
that's what the
Check ready,
reality
right hand
is.
ready. Move in. बहुत बढ़िया.
Maybe if we get to see some of grappling from Shalu.
Bas.
Oh,
Oh.
Sushmita lands blows.
Sushmita barges in, makes it dirty.
Sushmita under hook.
I think an important aspect for Sushmita is going to be that she'll keep.
Back up.
Oh, Shalu's
Shalu
taken
has
the
Sushmita's
back.
back.
She's taken the back.
Shalu has the back.
She's actually got the hooks in. She's taken the back.
Making Sushmita carry her weight.
Is punching her. I think she should start fighting the hands first before punching her because
Showboating by Sushmita. Shalu has locked in a perfect body triangle.
Sushmita, just control the hand and mark.
Sushmita enjoying this.
Yes.
oh man, that must have hurt. Look at the smile
Look
on
at the punches.
Sushmita's face.
Oh,
She's enjoying
man.
it. She's like,
He's
this
enjoying
is
it.
striker versus grappler kind of a feat, man.
She's like, call an ambulance, but
के
not
ऊपर
for
चला
me.
गिरा दे. Control the hand. Double unders. हाँ,
This is supposed to be a very dangerous position, guys, for the person.
But I think it's at the moment
It's going in the opposite direction. She's completely twisted around the meaning of this position.
Turn कर उसके अंदर turn.
There, the
Under hook.
body triangle
Right hand under
is
hook.
broken now.
बहुत अच्छा. चोक देख के. सुष्मिता, अब left under hook. Left under hook डाल अब.
Sushmita proving to be difficult to be taken down. Seconds, guys.
less than 30 seconds to this fight.
See a takedown.
Sorry, less than 30 seconds to this round number 1.
30 seconds.
Sushmita
30
going in with her
30 seconds.
signature
There's
kicks and
the
a Superman punch.
1, 2. Cross.
Shalu goes for the takedown. Sushmita has a guillotine on her, but
10
the
seconds.
hips are not in the right position to finish it.
Elbow.
She's still trying her best.
Wait, relax. Sushmita, relax. कुछ नहीं है.
Well,
That's the end
did
of the
you see,
fight.
Rohan, the moment it went to the ground, Sushmita started looking at her coach.
Exactly.
I think
So we're in round 2 of the fight.
Take the center.
This is a pro fight, guys.
क्या बोला था? No. क्या बोला था?
So as far as round 1 goes, both of them performed well, but Sushmita had a slight edge in both the striking department as well as the ground
Good job.
department. Shalu needs, I'm sure Shalu has made her adjustments with regards to round
Set it
1.
up,
She's
set it
going
up,
to
Sushmita.
execute them now.
Boxing. Let's go boxing. जब वो guard पे आए, मोहिता guard कर रही है, boxing पे आओ. Now go. No problem. Easy.
Trying to find range.
1 minute done.
Shalu goes for the takedown. Single leg transitions to
Right
back. That actually should be her game plan, to take her down. If you notice, Rahul, anytime Shalu has her in a clinch, Sushmita has a machine gun in her hands.
she's going in those
He
punches,
lands those bombs.
short strikes, and
Right the
actually they
hand,
hurt.
quick. Sushmita, break the grip. Up, down. Yes.
Good knees
Yes,
by
keep going.
Shalu
Break
here.
the grip. Break the grip and turn
Trying
into
to damage those quads and calves.
Break the grip.
Break the grip. Okay.
No problem. Take your time to break the grip.
Pressure. It's okay.
Elbow marna. Elbow the face. Right elbow to face.
Oh, nice knee. Sorry, nice elbow by.
Okay, turn into her. Right underhook, right side.
But I think she needs to get out of that position. Excellent reversal.
Reverses that position.
Excellent reversal here.
Elbow.
She's holding that cage, I think.
No, that shouldn't
Like,
happen.
she's a professional.
Throw आएगा elbow. Yes.
Oh, that was a solid
Okay,
toss.
Sushmita, take your time.
And she has her.
She's got the
in a crucifix.
Reminds me of Ritu Fogart. She just signed up with Dave.
Definitely. She's with Brave now.
Elbow mark. No elbow.
Oh man, the crucifix elbows. One of the best.
Be the beginning of the end.
It's nothing.
She's locked in a very tight crucifix. She's landing in those short, devastating
Those
strikes.
elbows are
Underhook
really
rug.
serious.
Underhook rug, bus. Clear the hand. Underhook rug. Bus.
Get into that.
Okay. Turn your right
Again,
knee
a couple
down.
of elbows.
Sushmita,
Shalu
right knee
defending
down.
really well from those elbows.
Right knee down.
Using her legs.
Right
She's
knee
trying to
mat
break
पे
the
डाल.
momentum somehow because she knows it is a dangerous position.
सुष्मिता 3 मिनट हो गया. कुछ नहीं है. ओके. सुष्मिता अंडरहुक रखना है. टर्न. अपना सर इस तरफ मेरी तरफ ला सर. बस और सर नीचे. अब हाथ चला. Yes.
Sushmita landing those
Elbow,
big shots.
Elbow.
Strikes hurt a
Has her
lot.
in a crucifix. She's
Sushmita,
trying
1
the
minute.
Americana
Relax.
again. She lets go.
1 minute. Take your time. You're winning.
Very intelligent
Mark,
fighting
Mark,
here
elbow.
by
Nice.
Sushmita. You know, she's not going in for the crucifix, but she's landing those short strikes. And they actually hurt a lot.
Head down.
They hurt a lot.
Exactly.
Head down. Yeah. Beautiful elbow.
She's holding that
Again.
position
Again.
and landing.
There goes elbows, man.
Someone's cut open.
There's a big cut.
Someone's cut open, and that's Shalu Sharma.
There's a big cut on Shalu. She's bleeding.
क्या कह रहा हूँ मैं?
It's
Head
the
low.
elbows, man. The elbows are blades
उसका
when
पैर
you
केस से
talk
हटा.
about Muay Thai.
सुष्मिता उसका पैर केस से हटा.
Sushmita
cut
is a
open Shalu
WBC
with that
Muay Thai champion,
elbows.
उसका
and it shows.
टर्न कट. सुन 1 मिनट है. सुष्मिता
There's
अंडरहुक
bloodshed
डाल.
on the
अंडरहुक
mat.
डाल पहले. नहीं अंडरहुक डाल. सुष्मिता
Referee Andrew
नो प्रॉब्लम.
keeping a very close eye to this fight.
मारो.
Few of those short
No
strikes
problem.
again.
Head low.
She
कुछ
has a
नहीं है. Head low
triangle.
निकलेगा.
Shalu has a triangle. It's
तभी मैं
not
कह रहा हूँ
tight
हेड
enough.
नीचे रखो. कुछ
It's
नहीं
not
है
tight
सुष्मिता.
enough. There's no finish from
अंडरहुक
here,
लो
and
और elbow
Sushmita
चला.
easily escapes it.
खत्म कर दे फाइट अब. माउंट नहीं जाएंगे हम, यहीं रहेंगे. नी ऑन बेली जाना है. नी ऑन बेली जा. लेफ्ट नी पेट पे डाल.
Some short strikes by Shalu.
Oh man,
सुष्मिता उस तरफ जा.
Oh man, she's landing elbows even from that
Landing elbows.
position.
मार.
from that crazy position.
Clear the leg. सुष्मिता clear the leg. Yeah, good. अब वापस आ और मार. 10 seconds to go, Sushmita. Mount में आजा और मार.
Oh man,
Mount में आना आजा और मार.
this has become a bloody fight.
Beautiful work. Beautiful work. Wait, breathe. Sushmita now. Relax.
Landing,
Stop.
saved
Stop.
by the bell.
That was round number 2. What a dog.
We begin round 3.
Let's enter round number 3.
नहीं इस तरफ नहीं दूसरी तरफ.
Low kick by Sushmita.
सुष्मिता केज से दूर जाना प्लीज.
So ideally, Shalu's
निकलो,
game
उस तरफ
plan
निकलो,
was the same.
center पे
Take her
निकलो,
down,
सुष्मिता.
maybe get a
I think
submission.
Shalu's game plan was to go for a submission. You know, as you said that she was AJP. She's actually
Definitely.
AJP gold medalist in the white belt division. White belt division. Does
White
AJP
belt
have?
division.
Okay, maybe
It does
bigger
have.
this
In the
division.
India tour it
But
does
I
have.
think she wanted to capitalize
Get this
on
takedown.
her grappling. But then, you know,
Sushmita took that plan and she just threw it out.
she wanted to
man.
capitalize on her grappling. But then now, the moment she's closing distance and going in for those takedowns, or maybe for securing the position, that's when Sushmita is unleashing the inner beast.
Exactly. The magic is in the little strikes. People underestimate it a lot. It's going to hurt. It's going to distract you. You'll not be able to make your transition. And the elbows, man. The blades.
Sushmita, move to your left side. No. No knees right now. Left side, left side.
Some cage work.
कुछ नहीं है. अब निकल यहाँ से. उस तरफ. पीछे निकल.
Sushmita with
Center
some
में.
crisp striking. Little cross.
Equipment malfunction, probably. No.
And there is
Pressure. Drop the leg. Feints. Yeah, very good. Sushmita, move. Side.
the Superman punch again.
Sushmita, side to side. एक जगह खड़ा
Shalu
नहीं
looks
रहना.
slow in this
Yes,
round.
there
She
we
was
go.
pretty fast in round number 1 and 2. But she looks a bit slow. I think those elbows and you can see her face swelling up.
It's all in the entries. Any entry she tries, Sushmita punishes that entry. So maybe she's taking things on the back foot. She's waiting for Sushmita to enter.
आगे बढ़, पीछे नहीं.
Right paint.
Jab खोल.
Right paint 3-2. Right paint 3-2. Right to the finger 3-2. Easy. Movement.
1-2 chop. Good land. Once again, 1-2 chop. Superman left high. Good land. One more. Yeah. Center ले. Logo पे.
Striking
Yes.
exchanges.
बढ़िया. फिर से center ले.
Shalu goes for the takedown again. Needs to
Crawl.
finish this
Shalu
takedown.
goes for a
Yes.
takedown.
Gets
Sushmita
dragged
sprawls
down by
by Sushmita again in a dominant
head को push कर
position.
नीचे. सुष्मिता उसके हेड को नीचे पुश करो. Yes.
Oh, big uppercut. Not sure if that landed, but that was a big attempt.
Good land.
Right hand.
right.
Oh,
Relax it.
kick to the
Yes,
face.
right hand. Only boxing, Sushmita. Only boxing. हाँ, ये फेंट बहुत अच्छा है.
Little bit of
इसके पीछे right
feinting
hand.
going on.
No problem. Yes. Again. Pressure forward. Don't take back step.
Oh, spinning back
निकल.
Running back kick.
Okay, good.
By
इधर उधर.
Sushmita.
और निकल. इस तरफ निकलना. बस. अब छोड़ उसको.
Sushmita reverses.
Production team, can we have the timer back up? There is no timer on the screen.
Left elbow. Wait. Sushmita.
Can Shalu reverse this position? She can transition to the back. She does that. Oh, they get reset for cage grabbing. Sushmita gets a warning for a cage grab. Referee Andrew Gande keeping
2
it clean.
minutes to go. Stay in the center.
He's the
Don't
only
let
one
her
in the
grab you.
cage who's keeping it clean.
Yeah, move forward, get closer. Good land.
Another Superman punch followed by a solid body kick.
फिर से. Yeah. Again, that leg is done. But set it up with the hands, Sushmita, please. 2-3, right low. 1-2 right
Shalu
low.
looks to be a little
Your
gassed
call.
out.
But set up the kicks with
I
the
hope
hand.
she's being able to grapple now. Needs to get into that
Nikal, right ko nikal.
head kick.
Minute to go. 10 seconds.
Last 10 seconds
10 seconds.
to this co-main event.
Couple of
High kick.
spinning
Let's
strikes
go.
by both of them. Shalu going for the takedown. Saved by the play.
Man, what a fan.
Robin FC3, and your winner by judges' unanimous decision from the blue corner, Sushmita.
Sushmita Thapa.